फुल सेट मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा। देखो तो हसीना को वाना भी करीना को ठुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा। थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके सारे 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 Let's not joke.
लटपट
યશોદાનો લાલો મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે હાલો હાલો આવી જાઓ આવી જાઓ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે દ્વારિકાનો નાથ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે એણે મને માયા લગાડી મારા વાલા એણે મને માયા લગાડી મારા વાલા મારે મને માયા લગાડી રે દ્વારિકાનો નાથ મારો રાજા સુદામાનો મિત્ર મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે દ્વારિકાનો નાથ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે રમો રમો આ મોરલી વાળા શ્રી રાધે મને માયા માયા દ્વારિકાનો નાથ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે એણે મને માયા લગાડી મારા વાલા એણે મને માયા લગાડી મારા વાલા એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે દ્વારિકાનો નાથ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે
सैयर ने संगात के टूड़ो लेवो से मारे ढोली डानी साथ के टूड़ो लेवो से हेचनी ताले ताड़ी पड़े ने गुलाल उड़े हे मारी नव दुर्गा ने साथ के टूड़ो लेवो से हे ये हमारा हरकना मान अरे घेरे जवानु मने मन ना थाय जोजे ढोली ना ढोल धीमो ना थाय हे थनगनता जोजे ना पगरो गाय हे जोजे वीते ना रढ़ियाड़ी रात मारे मोगल दे दरबार मारे ले मुझले दरबार ते टूड़ो लेवो से मारी अम्बे माने साथ के टूड़ो लेवो से दीवड़ा माना धीना बड़े अजवाड़ा तड़ लोक पड़े मारे चाचर चुकनी माय ते टूड़ो लेवो से मारी सैयर ने संगात के टूड़ो लेवो से ए हलो ए हम ते टूड़ो रंगो हलो
showed their talent and creativity. They learned videography, editing, and other digital skills in that process.
We heard that even aliens want admission here. Is that true?
Yes, Dayami Mata teachers are capable of teaching aliens too if the need arises.
Breaking news! Aliens spotted in Srinagar. This is a code red. I repeat, this is a code red. Aliens were last seen near Damai Mata school.
The sightings of aliens is seen everywhere in Surendranagar. We have to be aware and safe.
ઘરની બહાર કોઈએ નીકળવું નહીં. બહાર નીકળવામાં જોખમ છે. ये असाधारण घटना को काबू में करने के लिए हमारी भारतीय सेना को घटनास्थल पे भेज दिया गया है. The Indian Space Research Organization is carefully analyzing the unidentified flying object. The entire world is walking on eggshells as we do not know if they are our allies or foes.
હું આજે સવારે સ્કૂલના ગાર્ડન પાસેથી નીકળતો હતો તો મેં એક એલિયનની ફેમિલીને ત્યાં રમતા જોયા અને ત્યાંથી તે તરત જ ગાયબ થઈ ગયા બીજી જ સેકન્ડ.
હું જ્યારે ક્લાસરૂમમાં ભણતો હતો ત્યારે મેં લોબીમાં એક એલિયનને ચાલતો જોયો. એ જોતા હતા કે ક્લાસરૂમમાં શું કરાવે છે ટીચર.
मैंने जस्ट अभी एलियंस को प्रिंसिपल के ऑफिस में जाते हुए देखा. आप जाओ तो शायद आपको भी दिख जाए.
Good morning. Please be seated. What can I do for you?
I'd like to get admission for my kids here because I came to know about the academics, sports, and extracurricular activities offered by experienced staff. I heard a lot about the strong discipline maintained at your school. I also watched your YouTube videos and follow you on your social media.
Okay, let me see what can be done. I'll try my best.
Their admissions were confirmed and they departed back to space happily.
Bing bing bam dum bam 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 bam.
What's going on?
Ding ding. Crazy. Ding ding. Bam bam. Ding 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 ding. Bam bam bam. Ding 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 ding. Bam bam. Ding 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 ding. Bam bam bam. Ding 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 ding. Crazy. Ding ding.
Bienvenidos a la cripta. Dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita,
Muévete para aquí, muévete para allá.
up the bass. Hey, hey, hey. Pull up the bass, 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 bass.
Do you remember how Christmas was celebrated at Dayame Mata school?
Yes, I
Do you remember how Christmas was celebrated at Dayame Mata school?
yes, I clearly remember our Christmas celebration.
Now, I would like to call upon on the stage His Excellency Right Reverend Bishop Jose Chittuparambil to come on the stage and give his blessings to our children and speech on this occasion. Please put your hands together for him.
Dear Reverend Father Benny, the Director of Education of the Diocese of Rajkot, Reverend Father Joby, the President of INAX Rajkot Unit, dear Reverend Father Titus, the Principal of the school, dear invited dignitaries, members of the staff, dear parents and my dear children, I am very happy to be a part of this celebration, this annual day program of the Amai Mada School, Surendranagar. Today we are living in a world where knowledge is considered as power. And in this world, which is very much improving day by day because of the fast development in science and technology, communication and transportation, the digital technology and artificial intelligence. Due to this, the whole world has become like a village. And in this world, we have to compete in order to be successful. And the Amai Mada School and other missionary schools are trying their level best to impart quality education to the children so that they can compete with anybody and become successful in their life. They have to compete not only with the people of our state, our nation, and all over the world, the globe. And we are equipping our students to come out successful so that they may come up well in their life. Together with the quality education, we give value-based education. Because becoming successful in exams itself is not enough. A student who comes successful in exam sometimes can be a failure in their life. So we give value-based education so that their character is formed, discipline is practiced, and they become really good citizens. They will have a good character, good well-disciplined persons. And also we give importance for holistic education. Not only the intellectual development, all aspects of development, the body, the mind, the intellect, all these aspects are taken into consideration. So, the holistic overall development is given. And also we equip the children to transform themselves as well as to transform the society. So transformative, holistic, value-based quality education is given in our schools. So we are making the children to be really intellectually competent, spiritually upright, morally upright, spiritually awakened, psychologically integrated, physically healthy, and socially committed. So that type of an education with all kinds of developments is given in our schools. I congratulate the principal, the members of the staff for their efforts to impart this kind of an education in this school. And also I thank the parents who are giving good cooperation to the school so that together with the parents, the teachers and the school authorities will give really good education and transform our children so that they can become a transformative agents in this society. I also congratulate the children who participated in this program, the teachers who prepared them, and all those who have worked behind that. I wish all the best to the school and all the children and their teachers, and I invoke God's blessings on all of us. With these words, I conclude. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Please stay back. I would like to call upon Father Titus on the stage to honor His Excellency Right Reverend Bishop Jose Chittuparambil with the memento. Please put your hands together for this beautiful moment. Under his guidance, constantly our Christian schools are growing and our children also making progress under his guidance. Thank you so much.
Your school's annual day must have been spectacular. What made it so special? Speaking of annual day, I still remember the amazing performances that left everyone in awe. There was a thrilling tribal dance that kept us on the edge of our seats. But what truly brings back the best memories is the adorable Lilliputian dance that melted our hearts. The costumes, the music, the energy. इसलिए कहते हैं कि स्कूल सिर्फ एग्जाम का प्रेशर नहीं है, ये खुशियों और सेलिब्रेशन का घर भी है।
कितने आदमी थे?
सरकार 2 आदमी।
दो आदमी, वो 2 थे और तुम 3, फिर भी वापस आ गए खाली हाथ।
उठा ले रे देवा, उठा ले रे बाबा, मुझे अमीर को नहीं रे, ये 2 गरीबों को उठा ले।
अगर अपने यार की जिंदगी चाहिए तो जरा कुछ नाच गाना दिखा दे।
तुम आज गाओ और आज मुद्दत के बाद ये पगली दिल खोल कर नाचेगी।
7 मिनट है तुम्हारे पास। आज इस स्टेज पे कैसे डांस करना है ये मैं तुमको नहीं बताएगी। डिस्टर्ब नॉट प्लीज।
ओके, सॉरी।
क्या मालूम आज के बाद हम सब साथ में होएंगे कि नहीं होएंगे। ऐसा चांस मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन आज स्टैंड अप मिस्टर। आज अगर इस टीम का हर एक डांसर अपनी जिंदगी का बेस्ट डांस करेगा ना, तो आई शपथ ये 7 मिनट तुमसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता, कोई नहीं, गॉड्स भी नहीं। तो जाओ और खेलो, मेरा मतलब है नाचो।
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Make some noise for the Desi Boys! D-Boys! D-Boys! बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क सली चटक मटक फटक सली दुश्मन की देखो जो फट लावली। बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क सली चटक मटक फटक सली दुश्मन की देखो जो फट लावली। बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क सली चटक मटक फटक सली दुश्मन की देखो जो फट लावली।
Not salsa, not flamenco, my brother.
Do you know Desi Nach?
What's Desi Nach?
बैल जैसे धूल उड़ा के सींग उठा के तुम भी नाचो, बाज जम के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो।
हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेद नाचो।
अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे भाग डोर छोड़ नाचो। मिट्टी जो तो रोट मोटा मिर्चा खा के ऐसे नाचो। हाँ जा छोरे,
हाँ जा गोरे,
हाँ जा छोरे नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 कच्ची कैरी जैसा खट्टा नाचो 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 बिच्छू कांटा लागे ऐसा नाचो।
स्टार्ट तूने किया, खत्म मैं करूंगा।
गणपत बजाना काय को बंद किया? गणपत पैसा दिया ना काय को बंद करेला? भार भार yeah. Shake your booty now, stop the body, yo, take this money and let's get started. Nuts, 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 nuts.
तुम क्या अपने आप को मुगल आजम हम लोग का अनारकली समझता है बे? कितना नचा रहा है।
Mogembo. Khushu. Mogembo. Khushu.
Ma'am, every school has moments that bring everyone together in celebration. Can you recall any of them?
At Dayame Mata School, Diwali was celebrated with a strong sense of social responsibility. We collected food items and distributed them to the underprivileged, striving to become a source of light in others' lives during the Festival of Lights. We also organized Rangoli competitions for parents that revealed a lot of hidden talents in them.
Shweta ma'am, what was something that energized the audience the most during school days?
Bollywood has always been a powerful medium of expression for ages. My parents always supported me in participating in extracurricular activities. I have always been a fan of Bollywood since childhood. So I used to participate in every dance competition. When I was in the 7th grade, a few of the students from my standard were selected for a blockbuster dance. We practiced and practiced and practiced, and we rocked the stage.
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੇ ਲੁਧਿਆਣਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਟੱਪਿਆ ਸੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੇ ਲੁਧਿਆਣਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਟੱਪਿਆ ਪੁੱਛੇ ਬਿਨਾ ਕਾਰੋਬਾਰ ਪੈਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਕਦੋਂ ਦੀ ਮੈਡਮ ਜੀ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਈ ਬਸ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਕੁੜੀ ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਕਰਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਕੁੜੀ ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਕਰਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ Saturday, Booty Saturday, Booty Saturday.
कच्ची कली साडा मासूम चेहरा, नियत नूरानी साडा दिल है सुनहरा। कच्ची कली साडा मासूम चेहरा, नियत नूरानी साडा दिल है सुनहरा। पर्दे दे पीछे की है किसनू पता, पर्दे दे पीछे की है किसनू पता। खफी नी
Ma'am, I heard about your recent assembly election victory. How did your supporters celebrate this remarkable win?
The celebration was filled with immense enthusiasm and gratitude. A grand mega dance performance was organized, reflecting the collective joy of people. I sincerely thank everyone who trusted me, supported me, and stood by my side throughout this journey.
Shweta ma'am, could you please share one message for our students of Dayame Mata School?
Bachcho, dream big, stay rooted to your culture, and respect your teachers. Leaders are not born, they are nurtured. Our school, Dayame Mata, is a place where our future leaders are created and nurtured.
At this age, do you think you have still got the strength to be able to dance energetically?
I'm sure I can. What about you?
Yes, of course.